What's up, CNC woodworkers? Corbin here, and I want to talk about how to make this box. And you can make it using a CNC machine and a table saw and a few other woodworking tools, not too hard. Check out in the description for some links to the CAD files, the Fusion 360 file that I did for creating the box, and I'm also going to share the details I did for creating the engraving on the top. So how did this box come about? Well, I was just experimenting with joinery and trying to figure out what I could do with the CNC machine that would be unique, original, still somewhat strong, and hold things together. And I kind of started thinking, hey, what if I made something based on things I like? And what was something I like? Batman? Batman's pretty cool. Let's make some Batman joints. And so that's what was my inspiration, and that's what I ended up doing. So check out the video and hopefully you like it. If you like, subscribe, follow along, and thanks everyone. For the top, I really wanted it to be where the bat was embossed on the top, but it was really hard to CNC it and not have the little bat ears break off because they went the wrong direction with the grain. So I had to do a regular V-carve engraving.